In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Polymarket. To do this, just go and open up Polymarket, and then what you want to do is just click on the cash section right there. And then from here, what you can do is click withdraw. Then here you need to withdraw to USDC on the Polygon network. So for example, I'll use Phantom Wallet, but you can also use Coinbase, Binance, or any other exchange or wallet. So what you want to do is just open up where you want to withdraw to. And then on that place, go and click on receive or deposit crypto or something like that. Now on Phantom Wallet, how it works is that you just get your Polygon address and you can send pretty much any currency on the Polygon network to that address. But for example, on Coinbase, often you will need to go to USDC and then click deposit. And then from there, select that you want to deposit over the Polygon network, and then you will get your address. And that's, I think, also how it works on Binance, for example. But on Phantom Wallet, from here, just go to Polygon, click copy, and then paste in your address. Now it needs to start with 0x. And from there, I would recommend just transferring $1 first to see if it arrives, but I've already done that, so I'll just do the full amount right here. And then you can click withdraw. Then it will be submitting the withdrawal. In this case, you can see there are a lot of withdrawals happening right now, and yours was unsuccessful due to high congestion. Now usually that obviously should not happen, but if that does happen, you can just try again a little bit later when it's less busy. And as I said, I've already done this with a smaller amount, which as you can see right here did arrive. I sent $1 and I got $1 right there. You can see it in the history as well. So that's how you can withdraw money from Polymarket. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.